Hey y'all, Iric Guy here, and this is how to change the battery in an A3 Audi, and this is 2017 edition, A3 Audi key fob. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is open your key fob by pushing this thing. I should say pop the key out. Once you pop the key out, then what you want to do, and I've just got a top of a cheap ink pen. And before I continue, I want to say that I am not an Audi mechanic. I am not a Volkswagen mechanic. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a lawyer. I'm just a guy with an Audi. And this is just being shared for entertainment purposes only. You know, always engage an Audi dealer to do this sort of stuff for you. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and do it. So I've got a top off of an ink pen, because it's plastic type material and it shouldn't scratch as much. Inside of here you'll see a little groove, and that groove's on the side with this Audi logo. So the side without your buttons. Stick your little thing in that groove. It may take a little bit of practice here, but see, once you get it in, see, now that's popped up. So this top part right here is popped up. And then it popped back down. So I got it popped up, but now what I want to do is get something in here so I can pull this up gently without creating any sort of damage, because I don't want to damage my key in any way. So what I'm doing now is just kind of gently going around here, because again, it's 2017 and I'm posting this video in 2018. Okay, see, there we go. That's what it was. That was interfering. So now this pops off, and you can see the type of battery. Expand this video's description, and then click the link there, and you can find where to order the battery that I'm putting in online. But again, you know, check with your Audi dealer to do this for you. It's not something I would definitely not do it on my own. Even though I am, you know, I'm just sharing this video for entertainment purposes only. So this time I'm actually going to get the ink pen, and I'm going to stick my ink pen in there. There it is. And see, it lifts out. So now with the battery lifted out, what I'm going to do is replace it with a battery. And keep in mind, when you replace it, be sure that you put it in correctly, because there's a top and a bottom to these types of batteries. So I'm going to stick that in there. Make sure it's well seated, and it seems to be. So again, to remove that old battery, I stuck an ink pen in that little groove right there. Groove towards the side with the little poppy out thingy, the key. Now I'm going to stick this back on. Snap down properly. Now I'm going to honk my horn. So that's how I do it. That's how I replaced an Audi A3 key fob battery. Again, expand this video's description and then click the link there, and you can find where to order the batteries like I used to replace the battery in my Audi A3 remote, or key fob, whatever you want to call it. Hope this video is of value. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Iric Guy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Iric Guy's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.